Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a market analysis on NZDJPY, NZDUSD, and AUDJPY. So here guys, I'll start with NZDJPY. I already have the analysis, so I'll just explain to save time and go through all the pairs. So here I'll start from the 1 week time frame. And on the 1 week time frame, you can see that we don't have a clear direction or a clear trend. We don't have an uptrend or a downtrend. Instead, we have a triangle where price is squeezing to the center, as you guys can see here on the charts. And I can say that what we expect on this is either a push to the upside or a push to the downside. So that is what we expect on the long-term view on this pair. So let me go to the 1 day time frame where things are a bit clear. And on the 1 day time frame, I can see that we are in a bullish channel heading towards the upper trend line of the 1 week time frame structure. And here I can say that this is a clear uptrend also. As you can see, we're making higher highs and higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Now we're expecting to make a higher high, hoping to reach the upper trend line. And as you guys can see here was like a zone. Then here was a zone here. Then we broke out of the zone, retested. Let me just show you. Broke out of the zone. Then we came for a retest on the zone. Then we head up. And now again, as I move the zone up here, I can see that we also broke out of that zone. Now we're coming back for a retest. Hoping to go to the upside. As you guys can see, we broke out of this zone. We broke out here, come for a retest, hoping to go to the upside and break these zones also. Maybe like retest here on the zone, then go back up. The guys that have been following my channel for quite some time will know that I don't trade zones, and this is just to make it a bit clear and look for confirmation, extra confirmation to say that this is going to the upside. And as you guys can see, this does look like it's ready to go to the upside from this point over here, from this area here, this zone here. It goes to the upside from there. And let me just remove this and dive to the 4-hour time frame, maybe to find some extra confirmation. And here in the 4-hour time frame, I can say that we are going to the upside. As you guys can see here, we have a bullish flag with the pole here, the pole, and this is like in the correction, expecting to go to the upside with another impulse, expecting to move to the upside. And as you guys can see, we're already retesting the previous highs. We are retesting the previous highs. So we can say that within the zone, we can expect reversals within the zone. As you guys can see, we have multiple touches on this channel over here, the bullish flag. We have multiple touches on that. So I can say that we expect a bullish run or rally to the upside to complete this third touch at the top of the trend line or at the top of the flag. And from that point, we can say that we'll be looking for maybe like a reversal. Maybe we can look for a reversal over there, or depending on how price gets there, will it give us a lower time frame channel, like in a pattern within a pattern, maybe like in a small pattern inside there, to confirm that we are moving like this to drop. So that is what I'll look out for. But for now, I'll be looking for a reversal that will go to the upside. Then we go to the 1-hour time frame. And on the 1-hour time frame, I can see that we have pretty much the same structure that we have on the 4-hour time frame. And that's it for NZDJPY. As you guys can see, once this breaks out here, maybe like go for another touch. As you guys can see, breakout, maybe retest here, maybe retest and go to the upside. And as you guys can see, we have a first touch here, first touch, second touch, third touch over here, third touch on that zone. And to look for extra confirmation, I can just look for a sensitive area over here. So once this zone is broken, once price breaks this zone, then we can say that, okay, we are going bullish on this because we have taken out the previous highs, which is these highs over here. Let me just, which is these highs over here. Once we take out these highs, then we know that we are going to the upside. We'll just be waiting for a retest, something like this, for a retest to go to the upside. So yes, guys, this is it for NZDJPY, NZDJPY. So let me move on to the next pair, which is NZDUSD. The 1 week time frame. And this is what I have on the 1 week time frame. As you guys can see, we have broken out of this descending structure impulsively. And we are hoping to, we're expecting price to go to the upside to at least reach this high, to at least reach that high. And let me go to the 1 day time frame to see things a bit clear. And on the 1 day time frame, I can see that we have a continuation pattern outside of the pattern that we have broken out of on the 1 week time frame. And as you guys can see, we have also broken out of this lower time frame pattern, which is on a 1 day time frame. We've broken out of this, and now we're looking for continuation to the upside. But I'll find out that on the 4-hour time frame or the lower time frames. And here I can show you guys something real quick. This is market structure. This is a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So we can agree that this part here is a downtrend. But look what happens after that. We break these highs over here to create a higher high, then a lower high, I mean a higher low, then a higher high, and expecting another higher low to push to the upside, to break these highs over here. And now I can say that this part over here, I'm expecting an uptrend on that part over there. So guys, look out for buying opportunities on NZD, USD. And to look for extra confirmation, I'll use this zone as extra confirmation from here all the way till there. And as you guys can see, respected, respected, respected. And here's another over here, another touch, respected, respected. Now we're expecting a push from here to go to the upside. And as you guys can see here on the left, whenever price comes to the zone, it pushes up. Whenever price comes here, it pushes up. And here, it pushes up strongly. So I'm expecting the same on this over here. And here, we say that selling momentum, then it immediately turn around here, then again strong, then struggle to break below, but eventually broke below, but then it just supported again here and shot to the upside, as you guys can see. But let me just clear my charts. But that is what I expect on this pair to go to the upside. I have enough confirmation to say that we'll be looking for buying opportunities on this pair for a long term. As soon as price comes here, I'll be looking for buying opportunities. for buying opportunities with a stop loss just below the zone, because we all know that the market always goes for stop hunts or consolidates for the longest of times. But as long as we know the direction, we just have to be patient enough to enter the trade to capitalize on this possible long bullish run to the upside, possibly hopefully to break this higher and go to the upside for a long term. And now let me go to the next pair, which is AUDJPY. 1 week time frame. And on the 1 week time frame, I can see that something similar to what we saw on NZDJPY. Price is squeezing to the center, creating almost like a triangle. But as you guys can see where the pattern over here, then we broke impulsively out of the pattern and came for a retest. And on the retest, we went to the upside impulsively. And now currently we came back for a retest on this W pattern or W formation, the neckline of the W formation. As you guys can see, there's a W up retest on this to go to the upside. Let me just zoom it in a bit and show you guys again. Here the W went up, came back to retest on the neckline. This is the neckline in this case. The neckline is here to retest the neckline to go to the upside. That is a typical W formation. And let me go to the 1 day time frame where things are a bit clear. But it seems like I don't have any analysis on this, as I don't see anything happening here on the 1 day time frame. So I'll just go to the 4-hour time frame. And here on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that on the neckline of this W formation, this is the neckline of the W formation. We have a retest. As you guys can see, we broke out impulsively. Now we came back for a retest, which is correctively moving counter trend. The trend is the upside to the upside, but this correction moves counter trend, meaning against the trend. So now we'll be looking for buying opportunities from these areas over here to go to the upside, hopefully to hit our too long. Hopefully to hit our 90% rule on the higher time frame, on the 1 week time frame. Hopefully to hit this, areas over here, this high, and from that high go to the downside, to here, or maybe on the trend line, depending on how price reaches these areas. But for now, we're looking for buying opportunities on AUDJPY. Going to the 1 hour time frame, still the same. As soon as we break out of this and come for a retest with a stop loss below the previous low of the structure, then we can swing this trade to the upside, and like as time goes by, just scale in till we hit the 90% rule at the top of the structure. So guys, this is my analysis on AUDJPY, NZDJPY, and NZDUSD. I hope you guys do take notes and you guys adjust to your analysis, or just observe the market. You don't have to take the trades, but you just have to observe and learn something new in this analysis, in my analysis. And I hope I do see you guys on the next video. Stay tuned.
Japanese, you a young girl, are you kidding me? Hennessy, sip it all up to my kidney. Look at me, flexing on niggas with my energy. Family, got it in my keys on my legacy. Japanese, you a young goat, are you kidding me?